Our Dyson Lightball multi-floor upright vacuum cleaner. It's a Dyson, so it's got radial root cyclone technology in here, which increases the suction power and reduces the microscopic particles in the airflow. It's also got ball technology down here, which has key components located within the ball, giving it a lower center of gravity, meaning it takes less effort to steer it about. However, I do find it is a bit difficult to direct around the corners, which you'll see later. So at first glances it looks a little bit bulky, but it does have quite a few attachments and features that make it very useful and versatile. One of them is this long rigid hose here, which you can connect one of the many tools. So you can get up to the corners of the ceilings or underneath your sofa or whatever. You can also remove this by pushing a little button here, which removes quite easily. And then you can add the stairs tool onto it, which just clips in just like that. It has got quite a long flexible hose. One thing I don't really like about the hose is it keeps twisting as you pull it out, but it is quite long. For our stairs though, we find we have to do about half of it from below and then go to the top and then finish it off from above. However, the entire unit is less than 7 kilograms, so it's not that much effort at all. Rotating brush here at the head, which can be switched on or off via this button here, depending on whether you're doing carpets, lino, solid wood flooring, or whatever you may have. There's also a slider down here where you can adjust the suction power or decrease it by moving it to plus or minus. But I just leave it on the center because I find that's best for what we have. So now I'll show it to you in action. So it's quite easy, you just push it down and it unlocks everything. That is switched on. As you can see, the brush is spinning. Push this button, the brush stops spinning. So we'll have the brush on. And now you can see what I meant by it being a little bit difficult to navigate around corners. And that is it in action. It's a bagless vacuum cleaner. You just push the button on the top here. You can remove the cartridge, push the button again whilst holding it over the bin. Door opens, rubbish falls out, and it's as easy as that. In the top, in here you have your filter, which you should clean 1 month after using it and every month thereafter by washing it in cold water and leaving to dry for 24 hours. Once you've that done, it is quite easy to just pop everything back in. There is another filter here in the bowl. It's a 2-part foam filter. Again, same thing. Clean it in cold water, leave it to dry for 24 hours and then reinstall everything. It's a Lightball multi-floor vacuum cleaner. Overall, it's a really good vacuum cleaner. Plenty of features. It lets you do everything that you need to do. It's not too loud. It is a little bulky, but overall I think we're really satisfied with it.